front of me is TCL 60 SE NXTpaper, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first enroll settings, then find and select home screen and lock screen, and go to Wallpaper and Style. Here click on change wallpaper, and now mark my photos. If you want to select something from your own photos, go to recently used to check recently used pictures as a wallpapers, or scroll those system wallpapers. I'll go with this one. Now you can slide up and down to customize it however you like, or not. So actually you cannot change the layout, but still you can see how it looks on both home and lock screen. Then you can also apply blur on home screen if you want to, but I'll leave it this way and mark apply. So the last step is picking if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both. I'll pick the third option, and that's it. That will be all. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.